What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Vancouver's Worst Drivers. So, as I mentioned before, I'm doing a Dashcam giveaway right now for a Crosstour CR900, which is full HD front and back Dashcam, brought to you by, of course, Crosstour Dashcams, as well as Black Box My Car, and it's just a thank you for everybody who's been supporting my channel. So, if you want to be a part of this Dashcam giveaway, check out my Instagram page in the description below and be a part of that. And also, I'm doing a part 2 with another Dashcam giveaway next week, so stay tuned for that as well. So I'm going to start this video off with a whole bunch of bad cab drivers doing some bad things on the road. This one up first, my jaw hit the floor when I saw this. I could not believe that this cab driver thought that this would possibly be A, safe, or B, legal in any situation. Two Pink Limes got this capture where this cab driver is just slightly too eager to turn left, pedestrians trying to cross the street, and then wha-bam! The cab driver just strikes this guy with his car, knocks him down to the ground. I mean, this guy's probably just trying to go home, trying to get a drink at home, just kind of relax from a long day. And instead of drinking, a beer at home, he's drinking water off of a street face down. Alright, so Sniper 7 is driving along in Vancouver, and lo and behold in the distance, looks what he sees. This cab driver driving down the frickin' bike lane. You think these guys having commercial driver's licenses, that they wouldn't pull stunts like this? But clearly that's not the case here. And I'm just confused because I feel like you being a cab driver in Vancouver, you think you know the route inside and out. So in my opinion, this guy's probably trying to do this on purpose. And what Sniper points out, which is comical here, is what the hell is the cab driver going to do here? Unfortunately, we never get to see, but my gosh, what an idiot. Now, the final cab driver video comes to us from Maple Leaf Rider, who's switching lanes here, but this cab driver also wants to switch lanes and almost hits Maple Leaf Rider. And he's got a word for his cab driver at the intersection coming up. Take a listen.
Get off your phone! Get off your phone! You fucking missed your exit there. We almost collided. You're too stupid. You were on your phone. Look, you didn't see me. Big truck, tiny car.
Alright, so let's get back to hating on all the other drivers on the road. Angus gets this clip where there's a left turn only signal, but this Ford just gets a little too excited and just drives right through the intersection. It's only for a left turn signal, people, you dum-dum. And then there's this video clip from Metrotown, and I feel like the closer we get to Christmas, the more we're going to see drivers like this on the roads around any kind of mall in the Lower Mainland. This is a classic Vancouver move, where the streets are quiet, driver assumes there's nobody around, so they're just trying to switch lanes without even signaling or even shoulder checking for that matter, almost forcing Jesse into the parked cars. And then a similar situation happens to Jay, but this time this guy uses his turn signals. That makes it a little bit better, right? Anthony sent in this roundabout fail video, which at first is kind of hard to see what's going on here, but if you slow the video down, there's a car in front of this blue car that's going to decide to turn left at the last second, which puts this truck and the trailer at risk had they had gone through the roundabout. So keep your eye on the van on the left. They're signaling left. It's a red light. They're sitting there for a while. Alright, this car up behind them is going to pull up behind them, and then at the last second when it goes green, they then realize, oh, the van is turning, I better go around. But at that point, they're already on a single white line. They think I was going to stop, and I was like, whoa, buddy. Hell no, you can wait. Now let this be a lesson to all of you. If you don't use your turn signals, you end up looking stupid like this guy who's just camped in the middle of the street and nobody knows exactly what he's doing. My gosh, I wish I was as creative as this guy who can just create his own lane out of thin air. What a magical superpower. Angus got some more bad driving specimens on the road. Here's specimen A. Right turn, doesn't even see Angus coming at all. And then you got specimen B, who can clearly see is a right turn only lane. There's concrete on the ground, there's a right turn only sign, but decides to go straight through anyways. Specimen C, who's a Tesla driver using his electric power to just power right through the left turn only lane to overtake Angus. And then specimen D, who thought it was a good idea to overtake on the opposite side of a street. I think this guy wins the Darwin Award for sure. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description below at Vancouver's Worst Drivers YouTube for my Dashcam giveaway brought to you by Crossroad Dashcams as well as Black Box My Car. I have a Dashcam giveaway tomorrow and then another one next week, so stay tuned for that.